Day 39, becoming financially free, testing side hustles. This is bad. I wrote an article to promote an email marketing software to make commissions. Let me show you. This is an Spanish article and I optimize this article for this keyword. And I have been using this keyword in the title, in the meta description, in the URL, in the introductions, subheadings, and in the image. As you can see on the screen, I have the basic SEO, search engine optimization, good in the title. But when I put the keyword on Google, I'm here. And this is the 5th page. That means that I need to work more on this article to see if I can rank at least in the first page on Google. Now, here's the thing, SEO is a long-term game. So I'm going to keep updating the articles and writing more information about this software. And I have been using this software for many years, so I don't have any problem to write about the things I use. And basically that is affiliate marketing. So I'm going back to work. Talk to you soon. Bye. I'm going to keep you guys updated.